Hello guys, and welcome back to my HTML and CSS tutorial. In this video we are going to start finally with some CSS code. So let's open our page1.html with notepad++. So to start doing some CSS code, we use a style tag, and the style tag must be inside the head tag. So style type text CSS and close the style tag. And here inside the style tag we are going to write our CSS code. But before typing anything in CSS, let's just make some content on the body. H1 hello world, and P my name is Shafiq. You can type anything you want, okay? Let's see this in Chrome. Okay, hello world and my name is Shafiq. Now we have this content here. Now I want to change this from black to green. And how do I do that? So I want to style the content of h1 tag. So to do that, I have to choose a selector as the same name as tag. So I choose h1 and then curly braces, and inside curly braces I'll type the property that I want to change for the content of h1 tags. And I want to change the color to green and end it with semicolon. Let's save this and open Chrome, refresh, and here it is. The content of h1 tag is green. Now let's go to change this one. So here I choose the h1 selector for the h1 tag, and here I choose the P selector, which refers to the P tag. P selector, and inside I will give it a color of purple and end it with a semicolon. Let's save it, open, refresh, and there it is, purple. So it's selectors with the same name as tags to change the properties of the content. So let's change the body of the web page. So what I'm doing to change in the body, I'm going to change, for example, this white color. I don't want this white color. I want this in blue color, which is the background color. So let's place the body selector here, and now background color and blue. So the background color is going to be blue now, and let's save this, open Chrome, refresh, and there it is. Okay, all our web page has a background blue color now. So now let's go and type another property. For example, whatever content is inside the body, I want it to be with the font size 20 pixel. So font size 20 pixels. Now open browser, refresh. You see all the content, either h1 and P contents, changed to 20 pixel font size. So everything that is inside the body as a content will change to the font size 20 pixel. So in the body we generally define the property what we want. And here in these properties, I just using the name of the colors. We can also use some numbers for the colors instead of the name. Those numbers are codes, a 6-digit code, which is the hex code of RGB colors. Let me show you some examples to understand you better. I have this PDF file, but you can search on Google about RGB colors and you will find more things about that. I have this big list of colors, and these colors have values or hex codes. This is a code for a black color. This is the code for blue violet. This is for coral, crimson. You have an infinite number of colors with this 6-digit codes that you can use in CSS. So now let's use this dark gray here. Copy. Let's go to our code, and instead of background color blue, I'm using that code of gray. So let's see the result. Save, open Chrome, let's refresh our page, and there it is. So you can use that way to change the colors with those codes. Okay, so this is all for this video. I hope you did understand all about the beginning of CSS code. If you have any question or suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.